Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamualaikum JKG. Let's play with numbers lesson 2 and the topic is tens and ones. Let's make a group of 10 and write the numbers. Now we have a box full of stars. Let's count and make a group of 10. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. How many stars are there? 10 stars. How many stars are there? 10 stars. Now let's make a group of 10. This is our group of 10 stars. This is our group of 10 stars. How many groups are there? 1. How many groups are there? 1. So we write 1 here. Is there any star left? No. So we write 0 here. Here we have another box of stars. Let's make a group of 10 stars. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Let's make a group. We have one group of 10 stars. So we write 1 here. How many stars are left? 1. How many stars are left? 1. So we write 1 here. When we have a group of 10 things, it is called 110. Similarly, when we have two groups of 10 things, it is called 2 tens. Jazakallah.